Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in CodeCombat.
We're in Kithgard dungeon, and we're gonna go through the raised sword. The raised sword is correct.
Nothing to it.
Play and play.
Code.
Goals are defeat the Ogres. Your hero must survive. Bonus, no code problem. Start level. Okay, so there are 3 Ogres. One is called Rig, the other is called Gert, and the other is called Ack.
We should attack Rig first because he's the closest to us.
Yeah,
or
look.
she.
Look at it. It says defeat the Ogre. Remember that they each take 2 hits.
Attack Rig twice on lines 4 and 5.
Okay, so hero attack.
Attack Rig. We need to put its name there so the hero knows who to
Yeah,
attack.
because there are 3 enemies. It's really
Hero attack Rig again because he needs 2 hits to defeat them.
Yeah, okay.
Then
Hero attack
Grunt because he's the second closest.
Grunt. Hero is good.
It's hard to say him.
Hero attack. Good.
Then
Last one.
okay.
Attack. But it's dead.
Okay, Ack is now attacking my hero, so we're gonna attack Ack.
Yeah.
Ack.
A-C-K! Ack. He's attacking us. Ack. His name is Ack. Ack.
Okay, so let's restart it. Run.
Wait. Ack.
My hero lost some health, but it's still press done, and we're finished for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.